Hello. It's great to have you here. Welcome to another hands-on class of the Havieri ERP. Today we're going to explore the product picking screen, one of the most operational and complete modules in the system. This is where the logistics and shipping team picks items from each order, prints labels, purchases postage, and manages all outgoing goods. And an important detail, picking doesn't necessarily start here. It can begin earlier, directly at the POS or on the sales screen itself, streamlining the flow for the shipping team. As always, the Havieri ERP is an international system serving companies in Brazil, Paraguay, Argentina, Chile, Panama, Mexico, and other countries. This screen automatically adapts to the rules and integrations of each country. In Brazil, for example, you have direct integration with Melhor Envio for purchasing freight labels. In other countries, the system connects with local carriers and postal services. The interface is the same, the ease of use is the same, but the integration respects the logistics of each nation. Let's explore the screen. At the top, the listing of all orders that need picking. You can filter by date, by status, and perform a free search. The filter button allows refining by period and status: sent, completed, review, picking, analysis, and open. Each row shows the company, order type, sale code, customer, picking date, receipt date, amount, salesperson, and current status. The blue magnifying glass button opens the picking screen with all data loaded. By clicking the magnifying glass, the system loads the picking screen. At the top left, the customer's photo. On the right, a panel with tabs for registration, delivery address, credit status, and purchase history chart. Without leaving the screen, you can check the customer's complete data. Below comes the heart of the screen, the list of items for picking. And here we have a very intelligent structure. The system divides items into 4 categories, each in its own table: products, combos, services, and listings. For each product, you see the code, the source warehouse, the exact location in stock, the order quantity, the description, and the available balance. A button next to the balance opens a window with the complete movement history of that product. Another button with a camera icon shows the product photo. This greatly facilitates visual verification during picking. Combos are expanded automatically. When listing a combo, the system already opens the items that compose it, showing each product and service that is part of it, with their respective stocks and locations. This is essential so the picker doesn't forget any component. Now let's go to the function panel at the bottom of the screen. There are 4 blocks with fundamental actions. The first block is Purchase Postage. Here you purchase shipping labels directly from within the system, without needing to access external websites. In Brazil, the integration is with Melhor Envio, which automatically queries freight rates from various carriers such as Correios, Jadlog, Azul Cargo, and others. The system automatically calculates the total order weight, the height, width, length dimensions, and even the cubage based on each product's registration. You can use the actual sale measurements or configured minimum measurements. By clicking Purchase, the system opens a window where you select the shipping method, check the dimensions, weight, and declared value, and request the postage. The generated label goes to the shopping cart, where you can complete the purchase, generate the final label, and even obtain the tracking code automatically. Sending the tracking email to the customer is also done with one click. In other countries, this same screen connects with local postal services and carriers. If your company is in Paraguay, it queries Paraguayan shipping services. If in Chile, it integrates with Chilean carriers. The system adapts to the logistics ecosystem of each country, maintaining the same user experience. The second block is Print. It offers 5 different types of labels and documents. The product label prints the items selected from the picking list. The order label prints the general order data. The postal label prints in the Correios format. The NFE label prints the linked invoice data. And the information label prints complementary data. All these printouts can be generated in the browser or in ZPL format. And here an important explanation is worthwhile. When you print in the browser, the system generates HTML that depends on the browser to render the print. It works well, but each browser handles printing differently, which can cause variations in size and quality. ZPL format, on the other hand, is the native language of thermal label printers. It sends commands directly to the printer, without depending on a browser or driver. The result is a precise, fast, and standardized print, exactly as carriers require. And to make this process even easier, Havieri provides Server Print, a mini server that you install on the computer where the label printer is connected. The operation is simple. The The system sends the labels in ZPL format via API directly to server print, and it forwards them to the printer. No browser to open, no preview window, no complications. It's the ideal method for high-demand operations, where speed and precision are essential. The third block is picked. After all items have been checked and packed, you click here to confirm the picking. The system removes the items from stock and updates the order status. It's the closing of the shipping process. The fourth block is return. If there is any problem with the order, such as a missing item or incorrect data, you can return the order to the sales stage, so the commercial team can make the necessary corrections. The Havieri ERP product picking screen delivers a complete logistics flow: item verification with photo and location, automatic cubage calculation, label purchasing integrated with carriers, multiple print formats including native ZPL via server print, and order closing with stock removal. And everything can start earlier, at the POS or on the sales screen. All adapted to the country where your company operates, with the same ease and efficiency. In the next class, we'll explore another essential system functionality. See you then.